A triangle has sides of length 3, 5 and 7 centimeters. Find the size of the largest angle in the triangle. Right, so we need an old sketch here. Right, so 3, 5 and 7. Now, why is that line so thick? Anyway, that's probably because it's yeah, well, we don't know that we have right angles here, right? That's the first thing. So we're going to 3, 5 and 7. So it's not a right angle triangle. Centimeters. Right, and the drawing will quickly reveal that the largest angle is the angle opposite the longest side. So we'll label that angle X. Our mission now is to find out what is the size of X in degrees. Right, now if you go to page 16 in the logbook, the log tables or the logbook, with trigonometry there, trigonometry of the triangle. And we have a wee triangle there, something like this on the top of the page, and the sides are labelled B, C and A, right? And there's a rule there, it's the cosine rule it's called. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A, big A. Now A is the angle opposite the side labelled small a. So you see the comparison between our triangle. We know the sides A, B and C, and we're looking for big A, or we're looking for X. So we can fill in the values there. We can fill in 7 squared equals 5 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 5 times 3, and cosine of X, the cosine of angle X. So the only thing we don't know is this X bit. So tidying that up a little bit, we have 49 equals 25 plus 9. 5 times 3 is 15, and 2 of them is going to be 30, minus 30 times cos X. Right, so 49 equals 34 minus 30 times cosine of X. And I just move things up there to give a bit of space. So now with 49 minus 34, so we subtract 34 from both sides by bringing the 34 across and changing the sign, equals minus 30 cos X. 49 take away 34 is 15. 15 equals minus 30 cos X. And then dividing both sides by minus 30, we get 15 over minus 30 equals cos X. And 15 over minus 30 is the same as minus 1 over 2, or minus a half equals cos X. So I'm going to start back up here rather than scrolling down. So we have cos X equals minus a half. So X equals cos inverse minus a half. Bang that into the calculator. Shift and the cos gets you the cos inverse. Fraction key, minus 1 on top, 2 below, close the bracket, press equals, and we get X equals 120 degrees. And that's the size of the biggest angle in the triangle. Now you could do that by sketching it out, you know, with a ruler or a compass and stuff, and see if it does make sense, 120 degrees being the largest angle.